Hello dear students, how are you? I hope that you are all fine today. This is Ms. Isra Saad from Science Team at New Generation Language School. By the end of this video, students will be able to determine the concept of solar eclipse, then the types of solar eclipse. Now, my dear friends, look at this picture. Yeah, excellent, super. It's a shadow. Do you know that, my friend, the shadows formed when a dark object gets in the way of light and block a part of it? So, it's a shadow. Okay, and our session for today is about solar eclipse. First, we are going to talk about the definition of solar eclipse. It is the astronomical phenomenon which occurs when the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun are nearly on one straight line with the Moon in the middle. As you see in this picture, here there's a moon in the middle of this line. So again, solar eclipse, it is the astronomical phenomenon which occurs when the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun are nearly on one straight line with the Moon in the middle. And we can see it in the morning. Super. And now we are going to talk about the types of solar eclipse. Types of solar eclipse. We have three types of solar eclipse. Number one, total solar eclipse. Number two, partial solar eclipse. Number three, annular solar eclipse. Again, total solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse, annular solar eclipse. First, we are going to talk about the total solar eclipse. It is a type of solar eclipse in which we can see the sun completely, as you see in this picture, and it's formed in the shadow area called umbra of the moon. Again, total solar eclipse, it's a type of solar eclipse, as we said, in which we can't see the sun. Look at the picture number one. We can't see the sun completely, and it is formed in the shadow area of the moon. Super. Number two, partial solar eclipse. It is a type of solar eclipse in which we can see part of the sun and it's formed in the semi-shadow area penumbra of the moon. Again, it is a type of solar eclipse in which we can see part of the sun and it's formed in the semi-shadow area penumbra of the moon. Number three, annular solar eclipse. Annular solar eclipse. It is a type of solar eclipse in which the sun appears as a lighted ring. Look at this picture. It's a lighted ring, and it's formed when the moon. When the moon is in the higher orbit from the Earth in the antumbra area of the moon. So we have three types of solar eclipse. Number one, total solar eclipse. Number two, partial solar eclipse. Number three, annular solar eclipse. And don't forget the picture or all these pictures. Super. And now we are going to talk about the total solar eclipse. Look at this picture. It's a total solar eclipse. Number two, partial solar eclipse. Wow, amazing. Partial solar eclipse. Number three, annular solar eclipse. Annular solar eclipse. Wow, amazing. And now it's your turn. Complete this question for Malak Ikromi. Space and space are from the types of solar eclipse. And you have 8 seconds, okay? Yeah, super excellent. Clap your hands for Malak. You're amazing, Malak. Okay, and now we are gonna talk about the umbra. Yes, conumbra or umbra. It's a dark inner shadow area in which the total solar eclipse appears. Look at this picture. Yes, look at the purple corn. Yeah, excellent. The purple cone is umbra. So umbra, it's the dark inner shadow area in which the total solar eclipse appears. And what about the penumbra? Penumbra, it is a faint outer shadow area in which the partial solar eclipse appears. Look at the faint area. It is the penumbra. So penumbra, it is a faint outer shadow area in which the partial solar eclipse appears, as you see in this picture. So it is umbra and this is a penumbra. And now it's your turn. Compare between the umbra and penumbra and this question for Muhammad Mumtaz. 10 seconds. Super excellent, Muhammad. You are amazing, Muhammad. Excellent. Clap your hands for Muhammad. And now, dear friends, how can we save ourselves from the solar eclipse? First, you must not look directly at the sun in ordinary days. Number two, doctors advise us to use special glasses to observe the solar eclipse. Okay, and I think that's enough for today, and thank you so much. See you later. Goodbye.